एक ही टीम अब मेरे दिमाग में आ रही है, which is the RCB Royal Challengers Bangalore. I mean, अभी तक IPL की हिस्ट्री में, despite having such stars in their lineup, they have still not been able to get the IPL title. Will 2025 be the year?
It will be a great justice for Virat Kohli.
So, who do you think will take the trophy?
It will be epic final.
What happened to CSK this time?
Dhoni shouldn't play.
From CSK's heartbreaking performance to Punjab Kings leading the scoreboard, will RCB win the IPL this time? We will be discussing this and a lot more with scientific astrologer Greenstone Lobo. What is happening? I mean, this year we have seen, something which we never expected to happen. CSK at the bottom of the table. Is it the year of breaking the norms?
Yeah, that's a good question actually. अगर आप देखोगे, if you look at Europa League, which has happened just recently, football में, we're seeing a lot of things that is happening which never happened before. Some team is winning which never won for 25 years. Some team is winning which has never done for 40 years. Some team is getting relegated. So, everything is happening topsy-turvy, as you use the right word. And the topsy-turvy things happen because of one planet, and that is Pluto. And Pluto has now come into an avatar, which I call it as Grey Lizard Avatar. Grey Lizard Avatar means what? Pluto gets into 8 degrees to 16 degrees. So that is the time when the world goes topsy-turvy. So, dunya mein abhi, you're seeing that the India has also gone through some topsy-turvy moments in the recent times. In sports also it will happen. So that's what is happening.
Let's get over all our heartbreaks. What happened to CSK this time? For the first time in the IPL history, they're at the bottom of the table out of IPL. A lot of chaotic situations they had to face. Ruturaj Gaikwad had to go out. So, how is it playing out with them?
It's very sad, isn't it? So, the one of the most beautiful team is getting the wooden spoon. Yeah, crashed. See, that's because of only one reason, and that is MS Dhoni as a captain. And also, before the replacements came in, they had a very horrible auction. They didn't get the players with the strong planetary position. So, their emphasis on having people who are a little older. So, what happens with people who are a little older is that you go out of that patch of, I'm talking only from astrological perspective, it's not a cricketing analysis, right? So, from astrology perspective, you need to have players who are in a particular age range. Okay, so in this case, now what happens is people who are born in the 90s, okay, and especially mid 90s to late 90s will be the ones who will be doing well. They have been always having
नया जमाना है.
नया जमाना है, राइट, एंड नया वो प्लैनेट भी इंपॉर्टेंट है ना, प्लैनेट वो मूवमेंट हो गया, प्लूटो ग्रे लिज़र्ड में आ गया. सो यू नीड टू हैव प्लेयर्स इन द लेट 90s एंड इवन अर्ली 2000s. सो वो नहीं थे उनके पास, दे आर ऑल हैविंग दोस ओल्डर प्लेयर्स लेट 80s एंड अर्ली 90s वाले. तो एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट हैपेंड इज दैट ही गॉट इंजरी. इंजरी का तो प्रेडिक्शन नहीं कर सकते हैं, वो इंडिविजुअल प्लेयर के ऊपर होता है वो. बट वंस MS धोनी टुक ओवर, दैट वाज द वर्स्ट थिंग टू हैपन बिकॉज MS धोनी इज हिस्ट्री यार. See, MS Dhoni has been great.
As you say, the karmic quota gets over.
Exactly.
This is
Exactly. आप कितना निकालोगे आप, मतलब आपका बाल्टी जो है, इट्स कार्मिक कोटा इज लाइक, लेट्स से इट्स अ वेसल, वो पूरा पानी भर गया, ओवरफ्लो हो गया, आपने सब कुछ निकाल दिया, सारे पानी निकाल दिया, उसमें खड्डा जितना छेद था वो सब चला गया, खाली खाली ढक्कन है, उसमें से कितना निकलेगा? सो नथिंग कैन कम आउट. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट पर्सोनल. They didn't have the right captain, and once the captain got injured, then they should have replaced with a younger player, but then they didn't have. So they have actually, but then they didn't replace with good players. जो replacement players आए हैं, young boys, देखो, they really did the job. So that people are in the right age group. So it's a personal.
okay. Let's talk about IPL 2026 when it comes to CSK. Dhoni announced that Ruturaj will be taking over as the captain next year. So do you think this makes chances for the CSK much better next year?
Yeah, one thing has to happen, and that is Dhoni shouldn't play. There's no point. See, I know we all love Dhoni and we all want him to play till he's 60. But see, there is some, it has to be realistic, right? See, Dhoni can still be a part of CSK. He can sit in the dugout. He can be the mentor, like what Gautam Gambhir was doing, or
But he
like
cannot
Tendulkar
be
was
the
doing.
captain of this.
He shouldn't be captain to सवाल ही नहीं उठता, because Ruturaj, when he comes in, he'll be the captain, right? Because Ruturaj is a very strong captain and he's a strong player and he's done well. So they will, anyways, automatically Ruturaj will be the captain. But I'm saying MS Dhoni shouldn't be even a part of the playing 11. 11 में होना ही नहीं चाहिए. भले वो he comes at number 8, 9 only to bat, but still he shouldn't be. If he's there in the team, he's jinxing the team. मैं तो इतना तक बोलूंगा कि if possible please replace the coach also. So till you are not going to change this thing setup, people from the other team will win because their time has come, no?
How is Ruturaj when it comes to the astrologically?
It's a good chart. Actually speaking, it's a good chart. So I would say that next year CSK has done a brilliant job. It is not that they thought about it and they did. They did it because of compulsion. Compulsion. You know, the players, the replacement players came in. Deval Bravis, Urvil Patel, Aish Matre. It's like brilliant three. I mean, all of them born in the late 90s and early 2000s. So we're looking at like boys who are extremely young. They've taken those people and then MSD out of the playing 11. And I'll tell you this, and Ruturaj is the captain. This team is going to do very well. They're going to bounce back very beautifully.
Okay, so CSK fans, don't be disappointed. Lobo has said it. Wait for 2026, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Greenstone, let's come to another disappointment, which was the KKR, the defending champions, led by Ajinkya Rahane. What really went wrong with them?
Only one thing went wrong. See, again the captain. Okay. See, there are two things. See, one is it is very difficult for the same set of people to win back-to-back championship. Okay. See, very rarely it has happened. Mumbai Indians एक बार किया है. CSK has done it once. But of course, they had legendary captains.
And maybe perhaps charts.
Yeah, charts, of course. So
Charts.
legendary captaincy means that the legendary charts also, right? So you're having a Rohit Sharma who's a once in a, like 100-year player. MS Dhoni once in a, like a millennium player. So these two guys were the only two people who were able to repeat back to back. But despite having the same set of playing 11, KKR had the same, I mean, almost the same playing 11. But the point is that, see, the captain was Ajinkya Rahane. Ajinkya Rahane is born in 1988. It is one of the weakest year, okay, of those people who were born in the recent times. So a 1988 born captain cannot win you a major championship. That is very simple as that. उनका चार्ट में एक बहुत बड़ा जो हाईएस्ट पॉइंट जो था, that was something that he did. Even MS Dhoni has not done that, okay, and that is going to Australia and winning a test series. वो उन्होंने कर दिखाया. बस उसके बाद में कैप्टनसी का कोई स्कोप नहीं है उनका चार्ट में. So unfortunately, he was made the captain. And despite you having a great team, I mean, it's a good team. It's not a great team because you've taken away the heart of the team from your team, and that is Shreyas Iyer. Shreyas Iyer is the heart and the soul of the team, and he's not there. Okay, and you bring in somebody who has a weak chart, that's gone.
You know, we are talking about the players. Let's talk about Rishabh Pant, the highest paid player in IPL 2025. What just happened? Like, it was pretty disappointing to see him performing like that. So, maybe this is not the year for him, is it? Or it's the current planetary positions really don't support him.
First of all, Rishabh Pant has got a very good horoscope. Okay, we need to understand that he's got a very good chart. He's a grey lizard. Okay, he's a grey lizard. He's born in the the patch between 96 to 2000 and the 99. That patch is born, and the next 4 years are actually very very good for those people. Okay, so what is happening at this point of time is that there is a transition. अभी प्लूटो जो है वो ग्रे लिजर्ड में आया, okay, लेकिन वो कुछ it is not come very strongly into it. Even now, the planet Neptune is extremely powerful. Pluto is come here, but then the Neptune is very strong. Okay, and Uranus is another planet which has become weak. Okay, so it's a transitory phase. So transitory phase mein, he was not able to make it big. See, there is only one person, one captain within that grey lizard patch was done well, and that is Shubman Gill. He's also one in that patch, and he's done well. Ek aur hai Ruturaj Gaikwad, he got injured. So one of the three were supposed to go up, and the other two were not supposed to do well. So those two guys, one got injured and one didn't do well, and one guy went up. Okay, but the next year is going to be very interesting because next year is the year of the grey lizard guys. So which means all of these guys who are not done well this and year, they will do well. So I would only say that Rishabh Pant has got a good chart. He's born in a good time. It's only that this year was a disappointment. Okay, probably next year. See, they have some places to be taken care of, some bowling unit and some batting. वो सब ठीक करना पड़ेगा उनको. If they do that, if they have a auction, the next auction is going to happen. Whenever it happens, if they take some good players born in the strategic years, I would say that next year is going to be a very good year for them. So LSG can do well in the next year.
Enough with the disappointments. Now, let's talk about the biggest surprises. And of course, I want to come to Sky, which is Surya Kumar Yadav. Oh my God, what a fabulous performance! Such great innings when it comes to scoring runs and overall. So, what's really working for him astrologically?
he's born in September 1990. It's a very beautiful time. 1990 is a very good year. It's a very transformatory year because that is when Pluto came into its own house after 250 years. Okay. And when it came in November, it came in November for a few months, and that is when Sachin Tendulkar debuted for the country. Okay, so it's an extraordinary time.
So, how does Pluto really play out? You know, what power does it hold?
Pluto is the most important planet in the universe. It is the farthest planet, and the farther the planet is, the more impactful it is. And people with the impact of Pluto they will bring the biggest success. So we are very lucky that Surya Kumar Yadav is not only is playing very well for Mumbai Indians, that is fine, but I'm more happy from the India's perspective that he's a captain of the Indian T20 team, so which is very, very good for us. Okay, so he's got a great chart, and he is supposed to break a lot of records. So I think he has also broken the record of Tendulkar, right? So he's broken the record of Tendulkar. So for the being the in the
Highest scorer from Mumbai Indians.
for in the season. So it's only the beginning for him. He's going to do well. Yeah, I wrote about him in my book about 7 years back when nobody knew about him. In my book, How's That? I wrote about that. Yeah. So he's a star. He's a superstar. Yeah. So it's good. It's good for us.
It was basically 7 years back when not many people were knowing him. This really brings me to the youngsters, to the budding cricketers that we have seen, you know, really showing promising future when it comes to cricket. So, any youngsters you feel, you know, right now from the IPL teams that you think hold a very bright future in the time to come?
Yeah, absolutely. There are. I mean, I can talk about two immediately. Number one is, very interestingly, all the 2-3 players which I like are in from Chennai Super Kings. Okay, so Ayush Matre, Mumbai player. Okay, and born in 2008. He's got a brilliant horoscope. Uranus is in 25 degrees. Okay, and then this is this planet X. I talk about this planet X, which is in Pisces. So whenever planet X comes into Pisces, it's a rare phenomenon. It gives success, which is it is actually Pisces is like ocean. So the your success is like the depth of an ocean. Okay, तो उसमें दो लोग हैं. One is Ayush Matre, the other one is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. So these both of them are born with this planet X and this Pisces. So these two guys are going to be the future of the country. Okay, and then they also have Dewald Brevis. So there are so many youngsters. Dewald Brevis, of course, is a South African. He's also got a very good chart. So a lot of them, but I'll say top two are Ayush Matre and Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
Let's come to the top four teams now, which most of us have been kind of, we are excited to know, come on, who is really going to reach the finals. Let's begin with Gujarat Titans. Like great performance, and of course, Shubman Gill, he has led from the front more than 500 runs he has scored, this IPL season. So, what's working in favor for him?
So, Shubman Gill has got a good chart, as I told you. He's a grey lizard, and grey lizard born players will anyway start doing well. So, the next 3-4 years are going to be his best years. So, starting from now till the end of this decade, till 2030 is when he's going to really come into zone. So, he has already become the captain of the test team, and he's a very good test player. He's an very good all format player. He's one who has a chameleonic ability to adapt to all the situations. Okay, and he's led very well, so which is good news for the Indian contingency also. The important thing is that because he's born in a grey lizard, okay, he was able to push his team and do well. But my feeling is that they will not win the tournament. So the reason why they will not win the tournament is that because I'm not expecting a grey lizard captain to win this time. So the grey lizard captains will be able to win only from 2026 onwards. So 26, 27, 28, 29 are the important years for the grey lizard captains.
Still, there is time.
Still there is time.
Claim the trophy.
So वक्त अभी भी बाकी है उनके लिए, ठीक है. तो समय अभी तक आया नहीं उनका, ठीक है. तो उनका अगले साल से आएगा. तो इसके लिए वो यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हो because of Shubman Gill's chart they reached here. Okay, now you can also see that कि क्या होता है, then there are their best players are going to go away. Okay, and you can see already that some of their best players are losing form and all that. So a lot of things are happening which is not very good. Okay, and I'm not expecting them to do well. So probably they may not even reach the finals. Yeah.
Greenstone, when we did a pre-IPL video a few months back, I still remember you spoke about how the winning captain this time has to be born either in 1993 or 1994. Now, the rest of the three teams that we are going to be talking, their captains are actually born in 1993 or 1994. Let's come to Punjab Kings. Oh my God! For the first time in 11 years, they have reached the playoffs. Shreyas Iyer has been leading Punjab Kings. More than 480. He has scored in the season yet with a great strike rate. Is it really his chart driving the chariot of the Punjab Kings, or it's Preeti Zinta's stars? What's happening?
Yeah, I think when your time comes, everybody's time comes together. In fact, you pointed out very interestingly that even Preeti Zinta is by the way is a grey lizard. वो 75 born है, वो 75 का grey lizard है, वो उस time का grey lizard है. Even Sachin Tendulkar is a grey lizard, for example. Sachin Tendulkar, all the Fab Four जो भी थे, they're all grey lizard. I mean, Rahul Dravid and Sachin Tendulkar and VVS Lakshman and then Preeti Zinta. Now it's a grey lizard time, so Preeti Zinta is coming into picture. At the same time, of course, Shreyas Iyer is the guy whose chart is driving, and also Ricky Ponting, by the way, is a grey lizard. वो भी 74 born है, okay. So see, it's all everything coming together because like I think
So you are saying Preeti Zinta is a grey lizard, you are saying Ricky Ponting is a grey lizard, and Shreyas Iyer is a grey lizard.
he's not a grey lizard. He's a 93-94.
Okay.
So combination is great. Say what did I do?
Everything favorable, it's like coming together.
So grey lizard captain will win from the next time. So now they are not having a grey lizard captain. I said that 93-94 is having the highest chances to win now. So Shreyas Iyer as a captain, great choice. But all the other people involved are all grey lizard people because their time has started. Grey lizard planet has come in, but the winner will be having Neptune strong. So that's the reason 93-94. 93-94 mein Neptune was very powerful. So Neptune has to be strong in this time. So the Shreyas Iyer. So what a fantastic they have done. I mean, they had the best auction according to me. They bought the best captain. They decided very very clearly even before the auction that we want Shreyas Iyer as a captain, and then they built their entire team around him. I think Ricky Ponting really is the person who mainly did it. But of course, they reached here because of Shreyas Iyer.
Greenstone, can we just go to Mumbai Indians now? I remember in our first video, like we spoke straight for 10 minutes, we spoke about MI. And of course, MI took the sixth spot in the top six that you had mentioned, and they are in the top four now. So Hardik Pandya is leading MI. Does MI have a chance of claiming the title this time?
Yeah, see, I'll say that MI will always have a chance because he's the captain is born in 93. Okay, and then the other two are there also 93-94 captain. So if they win, I will not be surprised. Okay, see, I said very clearly that GT will not win. Okay, and my number 3, whom I feel that they have some chances to win, but they may not necessarily win. That is MI. Okay, so I'll tell you the reason why. The reason is very simple. See, their captain is the best. I mean, the captain has a great chart. Hardik Pandya has a phenomenal chart. 93 born. He's born at the time when in October 93 is the time when Pluto was exactly in 0 and Neptune was exactly in 25 degrees. उसी time में वो बुमराह भी है, October to December तक का जो period है, that is one of the best match. उसी time में Travis Head भी है, ठीक है? If Hardik Pandya wouldn't have been injured in 2023, then he would have been the man of the match of the final. उसकी वजह से भी हम लोग हार गए. Anyway, so he has a great chart. Okay, and he won the IPL title with another team, that is Gujarat Titans. Okay, with a completely different setup. Now he's come to a different setup. तो इसमें क्या है कि see what we need to understand is that Hardik Pandya has already won titles with Mumbai Indians as a player. Okay, and all the players here, it's a legendary team है वो, ठीक है? Look at Surya Kumar Yadav. We are looking at Jasprit Bumrah. We are looking at Rohit Sharma, still there. Okay, so these are all legendary players.
But still spot 3.
Yeah, the only reason I'm saying that they're in spot 3 is because they've already won so many things, and not just that they have only won in IPL, they've also won in the world for the country. I mean, recently last दो जो हुआ था, I mean we're looking at T20 World Cup, they only won. Okay, Champions Trophy they only won. So कितना मिलेगा ना उनको? तो ये सब कुछ हो गया है.
I get your indication now, Greenstone.
So I'm not saying that they will not win.
Right.
There is maybe a 10% possibility hoga, 10-20%. If I have to divide the percentage, then I'll give 20% to Mumbai Indians and 40-40 to.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I really want to come down to the karmic quota right now. और एक ही टीम अब मेरे दिमाग में आ रही है, which is the RCB Royal Challengers Bangalore. I mean, अभी तक IPL की history में, despite having such stars in their lineup, they have still not been able to get the IPL title. Will 2025 be the year when they can claim victory? Rajat Patidar, I remember Greenstone, you actually telling me before the IPL season began that Rajat is a very, very promising player. He has amazing charts. You had mentioned him in the top players to watch out for this IPL season. So, as they reach the top four, what is the chance?
Yeah. So that is the beauty of astrology, you know. Like even before the tournament starts, we can talk about a captain, what kind of an impact he can create, you know. So that is the 93 born. Hai. See, Rajat Patidar was born in 93 and in just about 1 month difference from Pat Cummins. Pat Cummins, the great Pat Cummins, iska ek mahine ke and see, Rajat Patidar may not go on to be a great for India, right? I mean, he'll be a player, he can play maybe ODI खेल सकते हैं, ठीक है? So the point is that he will never become an individual great in his own right. But the other way he can become a great is by becoming a IPL winning captain. IPL winning captain तो अभी तक you know विराट कोहली भी नहीं बने हैं, right? So, but it will be a great justice for Virat Kohli. I mean, Virat Kohli has been the like so many years. It's like 20 years now, and we are looking at even Chris Gale has been a part of this team, and he has not been a part of a winning team. Okay, and now with Rajat Patidar at the helm of affairs as a captain, and Andy Flower का भी देखो, Andy Flower का जो chart जो है, it's very powerful. Okay, he's born in 1970 and न्यू मून डे है और उन्होंने बहुत पहले इंग्लैंड के लिए कुछ किया था. ओके उसके बाद में कुछ किया ही नहीं उन्होंने, तो उनका भी कार्मिक कोटा बहुत टाइम से बाकी है. सो वी आर लुकिंग एट द एंटायर टीम कमिंग टुगेदर. Okay, there are so many people. I mean, like you're looking at Romare Shepard, Jitesh Sharma, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Yash Dayal. It's like there are so many boys here who have never been part of major, tournament winning team. ऐसे कभी था ही नहीं. So I would say that is the reason probably, their chances are very, very high.
Okay, I guess we have the top two now, which is the RCB and the Punjab Kings. So, who do you think will take the trophy?
It's going to be very, very difficult for me to say that. See, I mean, either of the two will win, and if either of them win, I mean, there wouldn't be a surprise at all. I'll only tell you probably the reason, the astrological reasons as to why possibly this person can win and possibly why this person may not win. But as I said,
Generally, it's a battle of the equals, right? Astrologically.
नॉर्मली ऐसे होता है, बट बैटल ऑफ द इक्वल्स देखो कभी कभी क्या होता है कि बहुत आसान टीम भी पहुंच जाता है फाइनल में, ऐसा नहीं है, बट समटाइम्स यू कैन इफ दीस टू रीच द फाइनल, it will be epic final, like it's going to be very, very difficult to differentiate the two because both of them have equal charts and both the coaches also have very powerful charts, Andy Flower and Ricky Ponting. So now the reason why I feel there is a slight chance, more edge for one team is because that team, none of the players, I would say, has been a part of an IPL win. Okay, and the other captain has just captained a team to victory in the last IPL. That is the only reason. मतलब श्रेयस अय्यर was the captain of कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स. भले उनके नीचे पूरा टीम जो है उसमें कोई भी प्लेयर पहले का नहीं है, right? But still, he has just won it last time. That is the only reason.
That RCB might win the IPL.
So that is the only reason why there is a slightly more chances for RCB to win the title.
So all the RCB fans, here it has been said that you might have reason to celebrate this time after the IPL
but
finals.
yeah, Punjab fans also, you keep your hopes also high, but RCB I'm slightly thinking to be slightly better, but then Punjab can also win.
All right. So. Only time can tell what happens. But again, thanks a lot. It was very interesting talking to you, Greenstone. And you wonderful people, for more such interesting videos, stay tuned to Midday.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.